Hey, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. I'm Diana, and in this video we're making these easy and delicious buttermilk pancakes. Thank you for anyone who is joining us again, and welcome to those who are joining for the first time. Typically, I try to get a quiet spot to record voiceovers, but we have 5 young children, and there is just not a lot of quiet time in our house. So from now on, you may or may not hear our kids yelling in the background. Just a warning. But back to the pancakes. To make these, you're going to get a large bowl and add flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then whisk those together until everything is well combined. Then in a separate smaller bowl, add your eggs. I like to do this in the glass bowl so I can just lift it up and make sure there's no eggshell at the bottom. Then add buttermilk. And vanilla extract. Then whisk those together until they are well combined. Once everything is smooth and the egg is well incorporated, go ahead and grab the dry ingredients and pour that buttermilk mixture right on top. I'm also adding melted butter. I melted this beforehand and let it cool so that I'm not pouring hot butter right on top of the eggs. Then you're just going to whisk everything together. Do it gently so that you don't overmix. If you overmix it, it could potentially make your pancakes a bad texture. So just gently mix that until everything is incorporated, meaning you don't want to see any dry patches of flour, but you will still have lumps in the batter. You're going to let that sit and rest on the counter undisturbed for 5 minutes before you cook it. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. It's a thick batter. What we're going to do next is go ahead and add butter to our preheated griddle. I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter. My griddle is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let that butter melt. Then use your spatula to spread it out evenly.
Whole hand looks like this, like your hand.
Yeah, like my hand. Then you're just going to use a regular 1/3 measuring cup to measure out your pancake batter. Use the measuring cup to help you shape the batter into a circle since it is so thick. Make sure that you leave room between the pancakes so that you can flip them easily. You're going to let that cook on the first side for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles start to form on the surface of the pancake. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see that the bubbles pop and they don't fill back in with batter. Go ahead and flip them over. Oops. Clearly I fumbled the flip right here, but I'll show you how I fixed it. I just used a fork along with my spatula to pull that side out from underneath, and it was fine. Okay, so flip all your pancakes. And then let them cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the pancakes are cooked all the way through and the bottom side is golden brown as well. Remove the pancakes to a plate. You could put some foil over this to help keep them warm. And then you're going to continue the process with the remaining batter. So go ahead and measure out 1/3 cup of batter for each pancake. Now I didn't add any more butter to the griddle, but if you need to, you can add a little bit more. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip them once the bubbles have formed on top. And cook another 1 to 2 minutes until they're done. They should be nice and golden brown. Once you've cooked all your batter, go ahead and serve your pancakes. I like to put some butter on top and pour on the syrup. These are nice and soft and fluffy and buttery. This recipe makes around 14 pancakes. If you're interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description box. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.